Alright guys, it's always nice to have you on my channel. This is Treadmill Academy. We bring nothing but the best strategies online. So guys, as you can see, the page is up and running. We are on a trade where this is a live trade. As you can see, we are on so much profit. It's all blues, guys. It's all blues. We are making so much money and we are still gonna make more, but we don't have much time to talk about this and show you how the trades are actually going. So we're just gonna run into the video and show you how this amazing strategy is working. So guys, this is how this strategy works. But first of all, before I share the strategy with you guys, I'd like you to subscribe to my channel, share the video, like the video, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you can always get amazing stuffs from us whenever we post them online. So guys, quickly, let's start. But first of all, you have to check out the description page. You see a link to my WhatsApp number. You can talk to me directly, and we can share ideas together on how we can make money on forex. We run account management. I mean, the type that we always give you cash out every single day. We make profitable trades. We give profitable trades, so you can join our VIP team too and start making money. Okay guys, start making money today. Don't dull guys. Is that you hit me up for a VIP signal group, or you hit me up for mentorship, where we groom, teach you and mold you into becoming a professional trader. Okay guys, join our mentorship class today and become a pro, or you join our VIP team and start making a whole lot of money for yourself. This is a VIP group. As you can see, the signals we've been dropping, and we've been making a whole lot of money. People are smiling every day. Okay, people are smiling every day because we drop profitable trades, profitable signals. Okay guys, so don't dull. This is the time for you to start earning big. Join this VIP group today and start earning more, or you can join our mentorship program and we teach you how to make a whole lot of money in forex. Okay guys, so quickly, let's start guys. Let me show you how this strategy works. But first of all, if you're not subscribed to the channel, I would like you to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, turn on notification to always get amazing stuff from us like this. Okay guys, so first of all, before we start, I'd like to share the indicators we'll be needing for this strategy. The indicators we'll be needing for this strategy will be the moving average, the Ichimoku, and the market facilitation index. So the first indicator you'll be adding here is the moving average, which has the period of 200, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close, style is 4 pixel, and I'm using black, and you click on done. And the next indicator you'll be adding will be the Ichimoku. The Ichimoku will have Tekensan will be 9, Kichunsun will be 9, Seguspambi 52, and this space just leave it empty, don't take it or you don't open it. So on the styles, we have the Tekensan 3 pixel, I'm using black. The Kijunsun is 2 pixel, I'm using black. The Opkumu, just leave it at the color of your background. If you're having a white background, leave it at white. If you're using a black background, use it at black. And when that is done, you click on done. And that's all for our indicators. We are using 3 indicators on this strategy, and that's all of it. Okay, so okay, quickly let me show you guys, because I forgot to show you guys the levels here, the parameters for the market facilitation index. We have a level here which is a level 100 and a level 200. Okay guys, don't forget to add that level 100 and level 200. Okay, after that you click on done. So guys, first of all, before you start using this strategy, these are things you really need to know. Okay, the Chumuku here will actually help us and tell us where we should exit our trades. Okay, that should be our take profit. The Ichimoku lines indicator you're seeing on your main chart will be our TP. It will be where we exit our trade. Okay guys, and the moving average here will actually tell us where we're supposed to, have our entry. Okay guys, so that's how it's going to work, guys. So first of all, before you start using this strategy, these are the conditions you have to look out for first. So the first condition you look out for, it's when you have a spike, as you can see, a long spike like this, crossing the level 100, okay, on your indicator window one. And once you see these spikes like this crossing the level 100, if it's not up to level 100, like these short spikes you're seeing here, you don't take so straight. But once you have a long spike like this that goes above the level 100 on your indicator window one, and you look over your main chart, okay guys, and you look over your main chart, you have to pay attention, guys. You have to pay attention, because I won't want you to make mistakes. So if this happens on your indicator window one, you see a spike like this that goes above the level 100, and when you look over your main chart, you see that those spikes are above the moving average, the MA 200 here. If it goes above the MA 200 here, our advice, you don't take such trade. Okay guys, if it goes above the MA 200, you don't take the trade. It's risky. So what you do is you look for an entry that, if it happens like this, you see a spike, long spike here going above the level 100 on your indicator window one. So what you have to do now is look over your main chart. If it's above the MA 200, if it's above the MA 200, you don't take the trade. But if it's not, let me look for an example. Okay, as you can see, this is it, guys. There was a spike here. You can see there was a spike here. It was above the level 100 on your indicator window one, and you look over your main charts, and you can see that the spike was below the MA 200. Okay, if it's above the MA 200 like this, if it's above the MA 200 like this, our advice, you don't take the trade. Okay, you just ignore it and wait for the right time. And when is the right time? The right time is when it's below the MA 200. This is the right time for you to make your entry. So what happens is you wait for a spike, a longer spike like this, that is above the level 100. If it's a spike that is below the level 100, like the one you're seeing here, don't take the trade. Don't take the trade. Just wait for the right time, wait for the right moment for you to pick these trades, pick those candles, and close the market with profit. So what you do is you wait for this spike, the long spike you're seeing here, above a level 100 on your window indicator one. Once you have a spike like this that goes above the level 100, and you look over your main chart, and you see that the spike is below the MA 200, listen guys, you have to pay attention to this. Make sure the spikes are not above the MA 200. It has to be below the MA 200. So once you see these spikes happening like this, and it goes below the MA 200, and you have to wait for the first red candle to close. Okay, you have to wait for the first red candles to close. So now your entry will be from this second hand candles. Once the second hand candles start opening, that will be your entry. And when you open the trades, like you open positions and you sell, what you do is this Ichimoku line here will be your take profit. Okay, so the moment you have these red candles now getting close to the Ichimoku level, you must not necessarily allow it to hit the line. So far it just gets close to this line and it closes here. I think this should be your take profit. So after this candle, you close the market. You don't have to wait for this other candle, because most times if it gets to this place like this, there's always a spike, as you can see here. Okay, as you can see, this is a clear example. As you can see again here, this is a clear example here. So it's always risky for you to allow the candles to touch this black line you're seeing here, the Ichimoku line you're seeing here. So it's advisable you close before the candle that touches this black indicator here. So guys, it's very simple. You just have to pay attention to this. I have to rephrase this and say it over and over again, so that you can really understand how you can use this strategy, so you won't apply it on your own trade and you start losing money because you are doing the wrong thing. So I like you to pay more attention, understand how this strategy works perfectly fine. Like I said, you have to pay more attention to understand how this strategy works. I don't want you to do any mistakes so you won't lose money, because I want everybody to make money, guys. Everybody to make money. This strategy is one of a kind. It's the first of its kind. You won't see it anywhere, okay, guys? So all you just have to do, pay more attention, concentrate on the video, practice it over and over again. You can start using them on your demo account when you're more comfortable with it and you understand how it works properly. Then you can now go to your real account and start cashing out. So the first condition you have to look out for this strategy is you have to wait to have a spike that goes above the level 100 on your indicator window 1. So once you have these spikes like this, like all these 1, 2, 3, 4 here, there are spikes that gives you an entry to this strategy. So now if you see a spike that is below the level 100 here, you don't take such trades. You just have to wait for the right entry, the right time, and the right time is when you see a spike that goes above the level 100. So once you see this happening, you have this spike that goes above the level 100, you look over your main chart, you have to be sure that those spike doesn't go above the MA200. If it goes above the MA200, don't take the trade, wait for another spike that happens that will be below the MA200. As you can see, these spikes here are spikes that are below the MA200. okay, so when you see a spike that is below the MA200, you don't just rush into the market to start selling. You have to wait for this first candle to close. Okay, when once the first candle closes, the second candle will be your entry. You open a position and you sell, and when you sell, you close a candle before the candle that will touch this Ichimoku black line here, because if it gets to this point, there might be a spike. Like I said earlier, as you can see here, there was a spike when this red candle touches the black Ichimoku line. As you can see here, there was a spike here too. So it's not really advisable for you to wait for the candle to touch this Ichimoku line. So it's advisable when once the candle closes and a new candle is about to start and it's the one that will touch the black Ichimoku line, I think it's time for you to close the trade with profit. Okay guys, it's very simple. It's very simple. As you can see, it's simple as ABC. All you just need to do is just follow the instruction properly, try it on your trade, and I guarantee you guys, you're going to cash out every single day. Just wait for the right time, wait for the right opening, wait for the right time for you to make the right entry. You can try this 5, 6, 7, 8 times a day, and so far you are using the right settings and you're waiting for the right openings. I guarantee you're going to make a whole lot of money for yourself. So all you just have to do is, the first condition is you have to wait for a spike that goes above the level 100 here. If you see any spike that is below the level 100, don't take the trade. Just wait for a spike that goes above the level 100. When you want to see a spike that goes above the level 100 on your indicator window 1, you now come to your main chart and you have to observe that those spikes didn't go above the MA200. It has to be below the MA200. So once you see this happening, all you just have to do is you have to wait for the first red candle to close. Okay, because most times when the spikes happens like this and you try to make a sell immediately, another spike might pop up at that level, and it will be a bad one for you, because it will take you to drawdown, and you have to probably lose a lot of money at that time. So guys, so all you just have to do is you wait for the first candle to close. The moment the first candle closes, the second candle, it's your entry. You open your position here, and you sell. And when you sell, you have to make sure that you close before the candle touches the Ichimoku line, because that is our take profit. So guys, it's very simple. Just try this on your trades, and I guarantee you're going to make money for yourself. So guys, please, if I've been trying for you guys, updating you guys with new strategies that is working perfectly fine, and you've been using it to make a whole lot of money for yourself, I ask you guys, please to subscribe to this channel, like the video, share the video, leave some sweet comments after you must have used this and it's working for you perfectly fine. I really like to appreciate those that have been coming to comment how my strategy is really helping them. I appreciate you guys, and I feel honored that my strategy is really working for you guys. So if my strategy is really working, come out here, leave some testimony, leave some sweet comments, so we can know that you guys are really benefiting from what we are dropping for you guys online. Thanks guys for watching the video. See you some other time guys. Bye.